Sunday's precise and important news. Russia is planning to increase its exports to Afghanistan. The Russian ambassador to Afghanistan, Dmitry Zernov, said in an interview that his country is increasing the export of oil and food to Afghanistan. Honorable Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani offered his condolences and sympathies to the people of Turkey and Syria and added that we share the suffering and grief of the Muslims of Turkey and Syria and express our sympathies. Turkey has always helped us in similar situations. A three-day religious seminar started by the Ministry of Higher Education. A three-day religious and scientific seminar was started by the Ministry of Higher Education for about 800 teachers of central universities. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan believes in freedom of press, said Zabiullah Mujahid. Maulavi Zabiullah Mujahid said in the academic and religious seminar of the teachers in central universities, Islamic Emirate believes in freedom of press and asked the media to broadcast according to established principles, framework and to refrain from spreading baseless news and rumors. A fresh consignment of $40 million has arrived. A new package of $40 million in cash as humanitarian aid has been delivered to Afghanistan and deposited in one of the commercial banks in Kabul. New appointments made in Kandahar courts based on the order of His Highness Amirul Mu'mineen. The Supreme Court of Afghanistan released a statement on the new appointments in the courts of Kandahar province. The Supreme Leader of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan appointed and reshuffled judges in the Kandahar, including heads for the provincial military and civilian courts. Paktia Customs Office collected 5 billion Afghanis in revenue. Local officials of the Paktia Customs Office say that since the beginning of the current solar year 1401, they have collected 5 billion Afghanis in revenue and delivered it to the state treasury.